Hey guys, I've recently been loving wearing my hair in mini twists as a protective style, and today I wanted to share some easy and quick hairstyles that you can do with mini twists. So I had these twists in for just over a month, and I felt like my hair really flourished with this protective style, and this was my hair 2 weeks in after I had refreshed a few twists in the front. This first hairstyle is one of my favorites. I started off with a middle part and I pulled out 2 pieces in the front on both sides. I then pulled the rest of my hair back into a ponytail in the middle of the back of my head, and then I used a hair tie to secure. Next, I took a claw clip and I just gathered all of the twists up. As you can see, there are pieces that stick out from the claw clip that you can just leave like that, but I ended up just tucking in any loose pieces back into the claw clip. This next hairstyle is great for work, special occasions, as well as just everyday wear. Since my twists are in a middle part, I started off by moving a few twists from the left side over to the opposite side as I gathered the rest of my twists up into a high ponytail. I go in with a hair tie to secure the twist, and then I form a bun. With the twist that I left out, I then go in with a couple bobby pins to secure them behind my ear. Another variation of this hairstyle is just pulling out a twist from both sides by the ear, and it's just another cute alternative. Here I'm also bobby pinning down the twist that I took out just so that they're not flying all over the place. This next hairstyle is very similar to the one before it, except we're going back to the middle part and pulling out 2 pieces in the front, and everything else is pretty much the same, as you'll see. Updos with my twists, but it's not everyday bun. So with this hairstyle, I'm just taking a small square section on each side in the front. Starting with one side, I just begin by twisting backwards, almost like I'm doing a flat twist, and then I just twist the rest of my hair all the way down. Put a bobby pin on the bottom just to hold it as I work on the opposite side. When I've twisted both sides, I just pull them back and secure with a hair tie. Then I just take a claw clip and put it over where the hair tie was. This next hairstyle is just the cute classic 2 buns. I like leaving pieces out in the front, but again, it's not needed. I pretty much just divide my hair into 2 sections and I pack each section with a hair tie. Low-key, this could be the hairstyle in itself. But to do the 2 buns, I just go in and I form a bun with each section, and then I use another hair tie to secure the bun that I just created. I feel like doing this helps so I can make sure the buns are similar sizes. With this next hairstyle, we're doing a simple low bun with a side part. Honestly, I love this hairstyle and how simple yet classy it looks. I love doing low buns with my natural hair, so why not with twists? I just moved a few twists over to the right side of my head, and then I pulled the twist back into a low ponytail. After that, I took another hair tie and then I formed the ponytail into the bun shape that I wanted. Again, I feel like doing a ponytail and then going back to create a bun makes the bun turn out more round and gives off a neater bun instead of a messy bun look. So then I just took bobby pins to secure the side part pieces. This hairstyle, I'm just pulling out one twist by each ear. Then I just pull the rest of my hair back into a low bun. You'll see with this hairstyle that I didn't form the bun with another hair tie, so it gives it a more messy bun feel. Again, I just bobby pin the twists that I left out to make them stay closer to my head and not just be like flying all over the place. Next, we have your simple half up, half down type of style. I start by pretty much just gathering the front of my twist upward, and then I use a hair tie to secure that front half. I then just kind of play around with that little ponytail and make sure it looks how I want it to. And here's an alternative of the style, which just includes pulling a couple pieces out in the front. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!